Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to barbecue some chicken that falls right off the bones. I've seen this done a lot of times, but I've seen it baked in the oven. It doesn't give the same flavor. It doesn't give the same taste. So stick around. I'm going to show you how to make some amazing chicken that'll fall right off the bone. Now I have to give credit where credit is due. I got this recipe from my dude Hector. He's from Puerto Rico. He used to be a client of mine in the limousine service, and he showed me this recipe, and ever since then I was hooked. Man, this is amazing. It's one of the best low effort barbecue chicken I've ever seen, and it's amazing when it's done. I've had great reviews my whole life. So Hector, if you're listening, thanks man. Thanks for hipping me on to this one, man. So all we're going to need for this one is very simple. You're going to need like a lasagna pan and your chicken, right? Then we're going to have our own homemade barbecue sauce. If you haven't seen the videos on how to make barbecue sauce, click the links, check them out. I'll show you how to make some great barbecue sauce. And then we're going to need white vinegar. And this is very simple. Now, the chicken, I like wings, so I've got about 8, 9, 10 wings here, and I've got some drumsticks. Now, when Hector used to do this, he used to go catch the chicken. Well, I live in Cleveland, and it's 9 degrees here, so I won't be catching any chickens today. So I went and I bought some chicken. Sorry, Hector, but I'm not catching chickens today. So come in closer, I'm going to show you how to get this one done. Okay, so here we have our chicken. The first thing I'm going to do is pour some vinegar in here. Put a good amount, looks about good right there. It's going to be about half and half to your barbecue sauce. Take this whole thing, dump it in there. Get it all in there good. Okay, now if you haven't made your own barbecue sauce, you could use a little more vinegar here. You could use maybe some store-bought barbecue sauce. I would use 1.5 bottles of sauce, the 12-ounce sauces. You could also put both of them in there, but I would prefer to use 1.5 and then save the other half for when you actually eat the chicken. Now, a lot of people might criticize here and say, you didn't season the chicken. Well, I don't need to, because we put all of nature's goodness into our homemade barbecue. So that's basically what we need. And now we're going to go outside in the snow and cook some barbecue. So I'm out here in this freezing cold, getting ready to put this barbecue together. The nice thing about this recipe is you only have to come check on it maybe 2 or 3 times to stir it. I'm not completely crazy. I see it out here. I know what's going on. Let's get going here. Let's fire it up. After we get the fire blazing here, I'm going to put the chicken on. In the meantime, I'm going to warm up. So now we got the coals burning hot here. We put a tin foil over the top, got it airtight. We're going to put our chicken right here off to the side. Now, as a good tip for you, use a lot of charcoal. We're just using regular charcoal. We're not using wood. We're going to let this sit. You could let it sit about 2 hours. You could let it 6 hours. It's all up to you. So we're just going to let it sit here. We're going to come stir it maybe every 2 hours. And we're going to go inside because it's very cold. When we're done, it'll be magic. Aha. So here we are 5 hours later. This is what we're left with. Got some chicken right here. Fall right off the bone. There we go. Pick this up right here. Chicken falls right off the bone. You see that right there? There's the bone. That's the chicken. Man, that's hot.